Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, American Express is hiring, guys. I will put the link in the description of this video so that way you can come and take a look at the 293 jobs that are currently open. Do you see that here, guys? 293 open jobs. You will upload your resume and they will curate open jobs just for you. Just click on this blue button that says Match Me, and you'll be able to upload your resume to be able to do so. But I wanted to come and talk to you about Account Protection Specialist. It's a credit bust out, guys. You can just apply to this job. It's a hybrid, a location type of job. It says you lead the way. We've got your back. With the right backing, people and businesses have the power to progress in incredible ways. So you will come through here, guys, and take a look at all of the minimum qualifications for this particular role, which is must possess excellent analytical, negotiation, and decision-making skills, in addition to strong communication and interpersonal skills, proven personal excellence, including punctuality, integrity, and accountability, must have the ability to work independently and in a team environment. The hours of operations for Credit Bus team is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. Essential, and on Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Essential, and Sundays from 9:55 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I was saying EST, sorry. Applicants must be available for any shifts within these hours. So shifts will be assigned upon certification of training. Salary ranges from $20 an hour to $28.85 an hour, plus benefits and bonuses. And so the above represents the expected salary range for this job requisition. Ultimately, in determining your pay, we'll consider your location, experience, and the job-related factors. And you can just come through here and learn more about the benefits package. This is all what they offer for benefits here, guys. So as you can see to my left, here's some more roles that you can apply to if you see any other open job roles, or you can click here to show more positions, guys. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these 293 open jobs that are currently available. And super congrats to anyone who gets this account protection specialist role. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You are the best. If you know anyone that's currently looking for a job role, guys, please share this job lead with them so they can come over here and apply to the 293 open jobs that are currently available. Thank you so much, guys, for doing that. I appreciate that. You are the best. Love you lots, friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.